Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a healthy snack that'll give you lots of energy, especially during that slump in the middle of the afternoon or right after you're finished eating at lunchtime? Well, today we are going to do a recipe that requires only 4 ingredients to make an awesome, healthy, energizing snack. So we're going to be making matcha energizing balls. So for those who don't really know what matcha is, I'll just explain it really fast. Matcha is a type of Japanese green tea that has been ground into a powdered form. Unlike other green teas, you're going to be consuming the whole tea leaf, so you'll get much more health benefits from it. I won't be going into much detail about the health benefits because I'd like to do that more in another video, but basically, here are a few of the health benefits that you'll get by consuming matcha. So it's very rich in antioxidants. It helps you fight fatigue. It boosts your brain function by enhancing your attention, your memory. It helps you lose weight and may prevent cancer. So what are you waiting for? Let's start preparing some matcha. The ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 10 dates, approximately 2 tablespoons of matcha powder, a little bit of dark chocolate, or if you prefer, some nuts. So you can also soak these a couple hours before you want to prepare them. I just prefer putting them the night before, so I make sure that they absorb a maximum of liquid possible so that when I put them afterwards in the blender, they become really liquid. So it's been a night and our dates are looking great. Now what you're going to do is you're going to need a blender, and you're going to take a spoon to take your dates and put them in your blender, and you're just going to use a little bit of the juice that's in here just to make sure you know that there's enough liquid to be able to mix it correctly, and the rest you're going to keep it in another bowl on the side. Now put these in the blender and start mixing them. If you're going to be using some nuts, all you need to do is to crush them. If you're going to be using chocolate, well, you can always use like chocolate chips, but since I eat chocolate that has at least 80% cocoa in it, and I can't find any chocolate chips that it's not full of sugar and very low in cocoa, I will take a bar of chocolate and then I'll start, cutting it to tiny pieces or even shredding it like this. I don't even know if it's shredding the right word. You know what I mean. Here is how it's going to look. So first you're going to be taking a big bowl, and you're going to take your 1 cup of shredded coconut and you're just going to put it in here. And then, so remember you have some matcha powder. This one you're going to save it for later. But if you really, really love matcha and you don't mind the bitter taste, you can actually add a little bit in here, some extra, and just mix it with your coconut powder. And you can also now put your chocolate chips in here. And now you're gonna add your liquid dates. Mix them up together. So you're going to want to have a paste. If it's too liquid, just add some coconut to it, and if it's too dry, in that case you can use the rest of the juice from the dates that you had from before, and you're going to try to put them into a ball form. So you're just going to roll it up. So you see you have this ball shape, and now you're going to take your little bowl that has the matcha powder in it, and you're just going to put your little ball and turn it in here. Take off the excess and then put it on a plate or in a container. We're going to do the same thing with the next one. So here you have 3 of your matcha coconut balls. With the quantity of ingredients left, you're going to make approximately 12 of these in total. So these need to go at least 1 hour in the refrigerator to harden just a little bit, and then they're perfect to eat. If you need the recipe, I will be putting the link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to do another video or write an article about matcha, like its health benefits or how to prepare it or something else, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and press on that subscribe button. Have a super energetic day.